Okay, we're here at still water and we're going to do a regulation of the pressure. This is a pressure regulator. This is on the main entry of the water to the house. And what we're going to do is this screw right here is how you adjust the pressure for the main house. And if you push it, if you go clockwise, then what you're going to do is you are going to increase the pressure, and if you come counterclockwise, you're going to decrease it slightly. So what we're going to do is we're going to decrease the pressure, and I'd already done a little bit of it, but we're going to decrease it here, and then we're going to go to the other side of the house to see if it actually has been adjusted. So the fence will automatically close. And in case you need to do it in the future, it is this pin here. What you do is you move that around. You take the pin out, and then if you go that direction, it'll be less springy. If you go that way, it'll be more springy.